Anthony to the stage.
Thanks, Anthony. Thank you. Thanks everybody. I guess I'll just start off with a little bit of a journey of our S&C product range for our non-trafficable valve and hydrant covers. It's been about a 10-year development and continuous improvement over this product range with a few notable key points I guess I'll talk about. One is we first kicked it off back in 2014 with a valve cover in Victoria, trying to target that market there first, using this new material. Typically, the other products are not quite the same, and we were trying to integrate an actual full pigment colour for the lid as well as the cover, so we could eliminate the use of paint for identification as well as or pre-film thermoplastic. So we managed to get that off the ground, which worked quite well. And then we got into, once we got a few approvals up and away, Southeast Water brought up an issue where they took over a bunch of commercial sites where they had a lot of valve and hydrant services there, where over the years, when they were doing reworks there, they covered up the covers or the access covers with concrete. So the operators needed to be able to have some sort of metal in the cover so they could detect it. So since our product range eliminated having any metal in our covers, we had to work with the operators and Southeast Water to work out a way how we can make the product detectable. In the end, one of the great things about this material is you can have a lot of flexibility, and so what we ended up doing is we moulded in a mild steel plate and attached a rare earth magnet. And I remember being on the Frankston South Beach digging a hole about 1/2 metre deep with one of the Southeast Water operators, and we chucked the cover in there and buried it up and got their detector to see if we could detect it. So that worked really well, so we had a solution which was excellent working with the team down there. So we did that, and after that we started building the range. So we moved into New South Wales, building the range up there, following up into Queensland, and also starting to move towards a recycling program. This started to be popping up from our customers, where they were submitting contracts and they wanted to know how much recyclable materials in the products they use, or if the product could be recyclable at the end of life. So getting that from the water authorities, our customers and like. And Daemco, we are certified to Environmental Management Systems, ISO 14001, so we thought we'll initiate a program to see what we could do with the product, how could we recycle it at the end of its life. So that kicked off back in the 2019 sort of time. During that period as well, we were continuing to develop the range, and we wanted to move into how we could certify the product to an Australian standard to improve the strength, durability, etc., and then move towards a WIOA product appraisal. So we're up here now. We've finally got to the point where we can recycle the product at the end of its life, and so I'll go through the steps what we did. So what is S&C? It's Sheet Mould Compound. It's basically a glass reinforced polyester resin, and it's basically you can make all sorts of different products from this material.